What's up, guys? So this is a 9,000 pound Ben Pearson lift. This is the first lift that I've ever had access to use anytime I wanted to. I ran this shop, the lift was in here. I was super excited. I've always worked on the gravel out in the driveway, and when I got it, first thing I did is pull my white Chevy 2500, 2018 Chevy 2500 in here. Wouldn't pick it up, so that really hurt my feelings, but it has been so freaking handy on everything else. The old truck, the 63 Chevy, just anything else I wanted to pick up, it picked up pretty good. But what it does is, you can tell when you start lifting a vehicle and you stop and you go to start again, it struggles really bad. And I had a friend tell me, change a capacitor. You change a capacitor, it will pick up this truck. Now, I will go ahead and state, right now, I'm no electrician. I know just enough to get myself hurt. If this works, then by all means consult an electrician. I'm not saying you should do this by yourself. So this is a 2017 2500 GMC Denali, and I pulled in here. I was getting my legs set up so I could make this video, and to my surprise, I pushed a button and it actually picked the truck up. It will not pick up my white 2500. I don't know if there's a few different pounds of difference in it, just enough to make it where it won't pick it up or what, but that's all 4 wheels off the ground right there. But one of my biggest complaints is that. So I ordered a start capacitor, or a capacitor for the engine. I do know, don't touch both of those at the same time unless you're touching it with something to discharge it, something that's going to be isolated, that's going to keep you safe from the charge. So what we're going to do is pull this box apart and change that capacitor and see if it will continue to lift this truck up. First things first, kill the power. Second thing to do is come around and check for no power. Alright, so now I feel somewhat safe about taking that apart. Take these screws out. Here's the capacitor. Pull this off of that. Now, this thing does still have a charge built up in it. Be very careful with it. So unplug it. Could be 2 plugs. There's the 2 plugs, there's the capacitor. Now, what I did as far as finding the new capacitor is I tried to match up the same UF, the same VAC, the voltage on it was a 220. This one is 250 to 275, and I tried to match up all those numbers. I actually sent a picture of this to an electrician. He sent me back the one that I needed. So here's the new one. It's a Blue Star. I'll leave a link to it in the description, but this may not be what you need. Make sure and match it up as close as you can get. So and now be better off to get that by hand. Plug that one back in. We'll slide this back up over top. Right back in there like that. Put our cover back on. Now, those ends If you touch those and that capacitor's good, will shock you. Don't do that. Now we're going to turn the breaker back on. Hopefully that everything's right. We won't hear a loud boom. Now I'm going to check see if we got power here, and we do. Now I'm going to push the button, see if the truck goes on up or does it just make the noise. Look at that. That is awesome. So the gentleman that told me about this, he's not the one who knew about it, but he found out about it. He is starting a YouTube channel, Horner's Corner. And I don't know what all kind of content he's going to put out, but I know he sure saved my butt on this, because I was about to replace the motor and the pump both, and that fixed it. I mean, you guys saw that. So thank you, Steven, and you guys go. I'll leave a link to one of his videos in the description, and I'm tickled to death. I'm going to be lifting every vehicle I got tonight just to make sure it's going to pick them up. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.
My old truck's rattling down this beaten road, heavy on the axle, heavy as the load. Storm clouds gather, lightning all around, but I ain't backing up and I ain't backing down. If the truck breaks down, I'll wrench on it all night. If the bills get behind, I'll make it out alright. If the sky falls down and crashes to the ground, I ain't breaking.